Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can customize and optimize your remote play settings on Steam in 2026. So let us guide you through it. So navigate to the Steam app on your device like your desktop computer. And what you will need to do first guys is enable the remote play feature. And after that I'm going to guide you through each step of the customization. So what you want to do is navigate to the Steam button in the top left, select settings. And from there, what you want to do is navigate to remote play here on the left hand side. And after that, guys, as previously mentioned, enable remote play first. So in the next step, guys, make sure that your device is or has the minimum requirements to run the remote play feature. So you will most likely need, for example, graphic cards and also the latest driver version for the given graphic cards to run remote play on your device. As you can see, in some cases, updating the driver versions for your graphics card may be necessary, and after that restart Steam. So once that's off the table, guys, what you want to do is make sure that you enable remote play here, and after that scroll further down. What you want to do after that, guys, is make sure that allow direct connection here is set to automatic or enabled, and after that enable the advanced host options by toggling it off on here to the right. From there, guys, make sure that you enable hardware encoding as well as this feature here, prioritize network traffic, which is usually set or is disabled. And what you want to do after that is also enable advanced options here. And from there, guys, what you want to do is simply select a video setting. For example, you may go with fast, balanced, or beautiful. It's up to you which one you go with. I will leave it at balanced. You may also do the same for audio. Select the controller overlay and also select the bandwidth limit, for instance. So if you like, guys, you can, for instance, set a maximum limit for the bandwidth, I don't know, 20 or 30. Remember that unlimited bandwidth will increase also the latency. And then there's also the resolution limit. So make sure that you're using the one you're using on your display, which in my case here is 1920 by 1080 pixel. Enable hardware decoding. And what you want to do after that, guys, is click into one of these options if you'd like to perform a quick setup, like enhanced 1080p or enhanced 4K or 4K, depending on your preferred resolution, guys. So that is basically it. If you'd like to turn off remote play, simply turn it off here, and that is going to switch it off. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.